Pulverized coal particle size is an important physical parameter of pulverized coal combustion, and it significantly affects the combustion flame temperature, embers, and NO2 emission. Pulverized coal ball press in summer should pay attention to the prevention of high temperature. Before the ball press starts to work, first rotate the belt pulley with manpower for 1 to 2 turns. Confirm the normal operation, and then start the machine. The second is to check the wear situation. After the pulverized coal ball press is shut down, it is necessary to check whether the bolt is loose and the wear degree of the wearing parts of the powder ball press. Third, timely heat dissipation. Although the machine itself has a certain heat dissipation function, but this is completely unable to meet the overall heat dissipation needs, so we should pay extra attention to. Otherwise, long-term operation in the case of heat dissipation is not in place will greatly shorten the life of the whole ball press.